Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up our health planners for the first week in May. And I've got some washi tape here ready to go, as well as the sticker books which I'll pull from. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off by laying down some wax paper here. This week's theme is about rainbow bright colors. I went into the Color Story sticker book that you see there and just looked for some inspiration, and I found there is a section of this bright kind of fun rainbow, and I thought that would be a cute one for my health spread since I need all the energy I can get. So I'm going to go ahead and start by laying down a few stickers. I actually went into my Healthy Hero sticker book and was looking for something else and then saw that I had these stat stickers from way before, and they were so mismatched and the colors are a little bit weird, so they're not really good for most spreads, but I thought with so much color going on with this spread, this would be a fun place to use them up. So I'm going to go ahead and use those last colorful stat stickers here and then start pulling in some of those rainbow feels I was mentioning before from the Color Story sticker book. It has limited stickers in the Color Story sticker book within each theme, which is great for some things. Like, it's great that there is a variety of items to choose from. However, it's a little bit limiting when you're trying to create a full spread and you have maybe less than what you think you might need for certain things. So I am trying to make it work from just these stickers that I have here, and realized that I didn't pull any habit trackers for this week. So I thought maybe I'd pull it in from that wellness sticker roll, which I didn't show before because I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to use here for the habit trackers. So right now I'm just in that Color Story book and am just pulling in things that I think might work with this spread, trying different items out. I'm starting to build out my sidebar there with a nice quote and then a box sticker for my goals for the week. And then below that, I will have a place for my habit trackers once I figure out what that's going to be. And now I'm going into the Happy Goals sticker book because this has nice bright colors, very similar to the theme I'm working with here. So I thought I should be able to find some things in here that would work. And I had this idea to maybe try and use one of these boxes for the habit trackers, but we'll see if that works out. Kind of flipping through here, seeing if anything catches my eye that will work on this theme. And I saw that Choose Joy sticker, and I thought that was probably one of the better things I could bring in here with the kind of rainbow theme. I didn't want it to be too stylized since the two font choices that are already there from the Color Story book are pretty stylish. I wanted it to be kind of a low-key style quote, which I think that Choose Joy is pretty much the only one I really saw there that would work. And now I am pulling in maybe some watch stickers for my workout area. I'm just going to lay those in. And I just decided once I put those on the spread that I really didn't like how black they were at the top. Really just wanted this to be super colorful and bright and not too heavy. So I'm gonna try something else here and cut up this box sticker with stripes and maybe use that as like colored headers for each day, kind of creating a Roy G. Biv across the page. Trying to match up a little bit too with what the stat stickers look like below so that the colors don't seem so haphazard for those stat stickers. Now I'm just going back into that Color Story sticker book, looking for some other decor items to pull in here, kind of in this goals area. So here I'm trying to figure out what might work. And of course I figured out that I'm like, I have no orange in that circle, so that's not going to work exactly. I tried to see if there was one missing. Nope. So my solution is to move that orange to my Saturday where I have my rest day and just switch the colors so that they go from a backwards Roy G. Biv, if you will. We're going to start with purple and head to the warmer colors towards the right. And that solves the problem because then the quote kind of fills the gap where that orange sticker would need to be, and I still have my rainbow feels. And now I think, aside from the habit trackers, I'm pretty much ready to go. I realize, oh yeah, I need to flip these guys too so that they kind of match up with that cool to warm thing I have going at the top. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else I want to pull in here. Not really in love with anything else. I don't want it to be too cluttery, but I really do need a habit tracker on my sidebar. So let me see if I can make this guy work. I usually track 3 additional items there on the sidebar for habits. Normally my steps, I try to get to 10,000 steps each day. I will have closing my Apple Watch rings and then something else. But my little cutout there didn't quite work, so I'm just going to go ahead and try to make these habit trackers from the roll work here. Even though I don't really have the right colors, try to make it feel at least like it's part of the overall scheme. And here I'm going to need to cut this guy in half so that I can fill those extra spaces around the quote. There we go. Kind of make a long line across the page. And then I'll also put in this rainbow washi here at the bottom. Again, just kind of continuing that striped rainbow feel. And I'm going to go ahead and start laying in those headers I mentioned. I'm going to put them a little bit away from the actual top of the box since each one has a little bit of white around it and I just didn't want to bother trying to trim it up. So I'm just going to give it a little breathing room and let that white of the sticker kind of melt into the page. And I'm just going to line them up in a straight line there and then also white out the lines I don't need here across the bottom and in the goals section where I'm going to have those circles, so it's going to be kind of like an open area. And while that's doing that, I'm going to go ahead and move in the quote I mentioned. And although this really doesn't have a strong decor theme, I think that these bright, fun colors are kind of fun and exciting. So I'm going to look forward to just seeing how this does with my energy levels throughout the week. So I've laid in those strips of stickers already, and I'm going to go ahead and put in some washi down below, just kind of lining out those boxes. And trimming it out with my precision cutter there. And I'll go ahead and lay in the other side with their headers. And the rest of this washi tape as well. Here we go. And then I'm going to push those stat stickers pretty high up so that I have room for my sleep tracking stat, which I include on stat stickers that I make myself, but these ones don't have that. I do like to track how many hours of sleep I get each night, so I'll be adding that at the bottom, just below those stats. And I'm going to go ahead and start moving in the sidebar. I'm going to reverse the order of these habit trackers just so that it goes from pink to green instead. Just on a whim, felt like that was going to work a little bit better. And once I'm done with that, you guys, we will be done, friends. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye!